Meal planning in 6 easy steps. Meal planning makes it easy to eat healthily. You won't have to worry about what you'll eat throughout the week if you plan ahead of time. And whatever you prepare at home is likely to be healthier than a similar restaurant meal. Are you willing to give it a shot? Here's your 6-step meal planning approach, as well as some resources to get you started. Number 1. Make room in your schedule. Can you devote a whole Sunday to cooking? Make a note of how much time you'll have to prepare and buy for groceries. You can create nutritious meals in any length of time. Number 2. Count how many meals do you require? Consider how frequently you eat out and how often you'd like to eat at home. Determine how many meals and snacks you'll need to prepare. Then think about how many times you'd be willing to eat the same dish again. For example, if you only want to consume leftovers once, consider recipes that create 2 total servings. Of course, you'll need to consider the number of people for whom you're preparing. Number 3. Select your primary ingredients. Choosing 1 or 2 main elements for your meal plan can assist you in selecting dishes that overlap with one another. Core components include a source of protein. Assume you want to eat more salmon this week to acquire more omega-3 fats. Prepare to seek for a variety of dishes that combine nicely with salmon. You have the following items on hand. Look through your cupboard for items that you want to use up. Do you have dry lentils that have been sitting in your pantry for a while? Plan to include lentils as the main item in your meal plan. What's in season right now? In-season food is often less expensive and more nutritious than out-of-season vegetables. These dishes might serve as inspiration for your meal plan. Number 4. Don't forget about the vegetables. Non-starchy veggies, such as broccoli and Brussels sprouts, include fiber as well as a variety of vitamins and minerals. Include a dish of non-starchy vegetables in every meal you cook. Choose meals that include non-starchy veggies, or serve vegetables on the side. Number 5. Locate your recipes. Once you've determined how many meals you'll need to prepare, how much time you'll have to commit to cooking, and your primary ingredients, you're ready to choose recipes. To get started, go through our recipe selection. You may search by ingredient or browse through a variety of useful categories. Here are some pointers. If you have a lot of time to prepare, search for large batch recipes, such as these major meals, soups, and stews. If you're short on time, consider a dish that takes minimal active time, the amount of time you'll really be working. Slow cooker dishes, no-cook dinners, and 30-minute recipes are all options. If you don't want to consume leftovers this week, cut bigger recipes in half to produce fewer servings. Alternatively, prepare the whole recipe and freeze the leftovers for later. Look into these freezer-friendly foods that last a long time. Number 6. Make a meal plan. To schedule your recipes, use the meal planning tool. It helps in visualizing the meals you've prepared for each day. Once you've decided on a meal, you can quickly generate a single, streamlined grocery list for all of your dishes to make grocery shopping simpler.
To get latest videos, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. Don't forget to share with your loved ones.